What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Check it out, guys. I have an awesome app here called LegacyMaster 2.5. This is basically an application that my God put together that you can use all the services on one app. You don't have to have many different apps no more if you have many different services. So in other words, if you have like Budget TV with me and Amazing TV, now you don't have to have two separate applications. You could just have one application. And to be honest with you guys, the TV guide on this setup is pretty good. The players is pretty good, as in the video player. It's all around real well shaped app. You know what I mean? So enough of me talking. I'm just going to show you straight up how to get this app, and then I'm going to just show you a quick login way, because there is a different way to log in, guys. All right, so to get this app, first, if you're new to the channel or new to this video and you're like, hey, what the heck's going on? Basically, I offer a IPTV service. It's Jojos Amazing TV, Jojos Premium TV, Budget TV, and Amazing UK. Okay, and all that is basically, if you look down in the description, I have a website that gives you more explanation about it. Okay, now just that. Now we're gonna go show you how you get this. You basically have, if you have Filelinked, great. If you don't, once again, check down in the description and I'll show you how, in a video link, how to set that up. It's not hard at all. Okay, so if you got Filelinked, you're gonna open up the Filelinked, okay, and you're going to enter in this code right here, 7486147. That one gives you access to my store for the services that has all these different apps. Okay, so what you're going to do is hit continue, and you're going to see it on the top there, LegacyMaster 2.5. And like I said, it says it's an app you can use for all services, and Amazing UK, Premium, and Budget TV. Okay, and feel free to check out the other apps, you know what I mean, I have here, as you see. Now I do want to address something. If you have like if you have Amazing UK, you're gonna see this here. It says Amazing UK service, and down you see how the icons, okay, and then it says Premium. So these apps will work for Premium. Now if you have Premium TV and you download the Amazing UK, that login, your login will not work. It only works with the Premium services, okay, unless you download this app that I'm about to show you. So all you simply do is you click that download button, let it download, give it a second here. Once you see this downloaded, it's going to turn to a play button. You see that? Hit that play button. Sorry, guys. You hit that play button, and then you're going to see it says cancel and install. You just hit install. Okay, and you just hit install. Once you install it, it's going to say done or open. So we're going to let that go real quick. Fenrir. All right, you see how it says done and open? So from this point, you just open the app and I'll show you what it's all about. Now, you see how it says username, password, and code. Okay? I'm gonna simply explain this. Now, you'll put in your username and you put in your password for your service. Okay, now if you have Budget TV, okay, right here where it says code, you will write budget but with a lowercase b, and then if you have, let's say you put in your username and password and you have Amazing UK, you will write I don't know how to pronounce this, fenrir. Basically, you'll see that on the bottom there, that just the way you see it with the lowercase f, you'll write that in. And then for Amazing TV service, you'll write in Amazing with a lowercase a, And then for premium TV, you will write premium with a lowercase p. I will show you everything, how it's gonna log. I'll do each and every one so you can see I'm not BSing you guys. And also guys, just to give you a heads up, I will fast forward it, so I don't have to drag out the video and keep you guys bored. But if you guys stick around, you can actually see that the application does work and it works pretty smooth. And then also too, I'm gonna show you, you'll see on the back end of the TV guide and how to set it a full screen and stuff like that. So here we go. There you go. Amazing. And you hit login. Give it a second. There you go. And it should pop up. Give it a. Now this is the Amazing service. I'm gonna just show you pretty much the details on it. Okay. All right. As you guys see, it took a little longer because, as you see, the TV guide is freaking awesome here. So you have all your channels, favorites, entertainment channels. Go into there real quick, and you got all these here, and you see the categories. Now, I'm not gonna get into detail in the service. This is more for the app. So let's say you go down to right here, this one here. You click that with your select button, give it a second, and there you go. You back out again, and then you see what I mean? It goes in pretty well. All you do is you select the channel. Now, what's really, really cool about this app, let me scroll back up. Oh, there we go. There we go. We'll go back up. You have your settings. Now, you see how this setup is? Now, let's say you really don't like this setup. Go to settings. Go to settings again. Okay, you could do a parent block. Okay, here's the parent block. Usually it's a 0, 0, 0, 0, like basically all zeros. And you can even show the code if you want. Okay, and then you redo it, all zeros, and there you go. See, just to show you, and you're good to go. And you back out. You set your password to pretty much anything you want. Okay, so let's set. See how it says password, password confirm or pass. Please confirm. So there we go. There we go. Set. Oh, I'm an idiot. All right. There we go. Back out. Just make it simple. This is the thing. Just make it really simple. Just I'm putting those two. Okay. And there you go. There you go. Now, as you see, you could put it anything you want. Just make it really simple. Okay. Like a short password. All right. And you can block certain categories. You can block, let me see here. Most of the time people want to block this one. See how I locked it out? Now that's locked out. And you can change your external player. You see how you got none, but you go to that little circle there with add. You click it. I have VLC, MX player, or T player on my Fire Stick. You could choose those and it'll actually play the stream off of it. Okay, so if let's say the stream is really not working for you, give it a try by switching up of those streams or video players and see if that helps out a lot. Okay, and if it still has issues, please contact me. All right, look, player settings, you see it right there. Okay, the really cool thing, oh, let me go back there. You can change your time format, but the really cool thing, guys, is I'm just showing you real quick. You always see the EPG. You can you know, just mess around with it, have fun with it. But the really cool thing is the skin control. All right, it's on the dark mode. Okay, you could go simple, you could go retro, you could go mobile device, which honestly don't do it on the Fire Stick, because the mobile device, to me, I think it's a touchscreen. Or you could go normal. Okay, I like the retro. The retro is so simple to, and it's nice looking. So I hit retro, I hit save, I hit yes, okay, it's gonna restart the app. And look at that. See, you go there, you hit live TV, and see how that's set up. And you hit the, see how I highlighted categories? Click that and go into USA Entertainment. Boom. And select the channel you want. And there you go, guys. Back out. And now let's go to settings. And you can choose another one if you want. Let's say something really simple. Go to simple. Save, hit OK. And there you go. It's look how simple that is. Okay? And just to change it one more time, let's go to normal, how it looks normal. Hit save, hit OK. And that's your normal. It looks like retro. But there you go, guys. So, like I said, the codes it's not that hard. The codes are really simple and really nice to set up. So, like I said, premium is for premium TV, amazing is for amazing TV, and fenrir is for amazing UK, and budget is for budget TV. All those codes will be lowercase. Okay. Let me back out of this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you really did, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Tell people about the service. Like I said, I try to put customer service at #1. You know what I mean? And I try my best. So hope you guys enjoyed this new app, customers and subscribers and everybody. Enjoy it. Got any questions? Hey, feel free to contact me. Check the descriptions down below. I also put the codes in the description to help you guys out if you forget. So hope you guys enjoyed. Enjoy the app. Thank you and have a great night.